Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add money on Revolut. It's actually very easy. I'll show you multiple different ways, but first we need to actually launch the app. And once you launch the app, you'll see this page. And what we need to do, guys, is come here and choose add money. Okay, just choose add money. And there's multiple ways to add money. As you can see, for me, it's already set to Apple Pay. I already set this up. But what you can do is just come here and click on a change. Just enter the amount you want to go ahead and add, and then click on a change. Okay, or if you wanted to do Apple Pay, you can just click here if you already had that set up, but click on change, and then you see the different ways. So you can use your salary, of course. You get paid directly into Revolut, right? And use your salary. Okay, you can use bank transfers, right? Directly from your bank, or you can make, bank transfer from another bank. Of course, you can use Apple Pay, set that up. You can do Ideal. You can even do debit or credit cards as well. Just click any of those options and just enter your details and set it up. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Kimar.